Today, I'll show you how to fade in and fade out audio in your videos. This is a great way to make your sound more polished and professional, especially when you're working with music, voiceovers, or background effects. Let's get into it. First, open up your project in InShot and tap the audio button. Now add your audio, whether it's music, sound effects, or a voice recording. Once it's on the timeline, tap on the audio clip. A small menu will pop up. Go ahead and tap Edit. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see two sliders, one for fade in and one for fade out. Use the fade in slider to gradually bring in the audio at the beginning of the clip. Use the fade out slider to slowly reduce the volume at the end, making for a smooth exit. Slide them to the right to increase the length of the fade. You can preview it right there to see how it sounds. When you're happy with it, tap the check mark to save your changes, and that's it. You've added a fade in and fade out effect to your audio in InShot. It's a simple trick that makes a big difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more InShot tutorials.